Chimpo out here at LIS Audio. Just wanted to show you this little pit stop mode feature that we have on most every single remote start that we put into a vehicle. We recently did a two-way communicating remote start on this Xterra here, so I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to do pit stop mode on it. It's convenient for when you just want to run to the gas station real fast and leave your car out locked and running with no key in the ignition. So what we're going to do is we got the vehicle on and it's started and running. So what we're going to do now is just hold our remote start button for the same sequence as starting it. Get our confirmation there. So now we know the remote start has taken over. And at this point, after we've gotten the light flash, we can pull our key out of the ignition. Now out of the vehicle, you can go ahead and lock it. That way it's safe, running, staying warm, and ready for you to come right back out and jump on the road.